Didn't you check your mirrors?
No, it's not.
Oh, you idiot!
Oh my god. That wasn't even pointing the right way.
Had some kind of mental health issues, and some of them were really serious.
Okay.
These are people that really haven't got any business being out on the street trying to find
You ran that red light, mate, if I'm honest.
You know, so
Egoistic guff to talk about being bullied by the Germans.
Well,
Is
that?
Because we live in a free country.
Oh, I've just seen a Fiat pickup truck.
In the world,
that's wrong.
Privilege.
What is that? I'll have to look it up when I get home. Oh, I'm not a fan of that at all.
Which is always
or am I?
To maintain
no, I don't know. Oh, I don't know.
Thick and
pickup truck, yay. Fiat,
remember a draft
I don't know.
International
I'll have to look at that.
We had agreed.
Do the floss stands die out like now? I don't know if the floss stands. I explained it last time. Oh, yeah, gotcha. And that kid's soon too.
Yeah, check your mirrors.
I'm almost bored.
Well, that other bloke. Oh! No, bother looking, dog. See here? Like this.
Oh, it's like I was predicting that. You're going to jump in my lane. Wonderful. So pleased you've done that, mate. I've got to reverse now. Oh, idiot. Since I have. Oh, for fuck's sake! Actually quite tidy for a 2006 van, to be honest. Faulty indicators though. Still got those faulty indicators, I see. Oh, yeah, they're definitely broken. Yeah, what was your realistic expectation? Nice F-type.
That is not a parking spot!
Oh, he's turning here. He's turning. She's turning, shall I say. Sorry, I literally...
Going this way, aren't I?
Yeah. I literally saw that.
Oh, someone set a red light, camera off. Whoops.
What's he doing? What the fuck are you doing? On the wrong side of the road.
In a rush, mate. Hey up. Blue lights on, that'd be helpful. So I need.
A few moments later.
I think he's trying to go over into that lane. Yeah, there you go. Oh! What is that black car doing? Over into that lane. Yeah, there you go. Oh! What is that black car doing?
What, in front?
No, the one that just zoomed out and
BMW?
nearly hit the other one in front.
Is free servicing and 5 years roadside assistance available on the entire Jeep range. And from only £169 per month and 0% APR on the Jeep company.
Flashing lights continually. The Jeep coming towards, well, the 4x4 coming towards us with flashing lights over and over again. It probably means there's a portable speed camera ahead. Let's see how true that really is.
We were just flashing because he wanted to just, yeah, there you go.
Where? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
To blame Tony Robinson, that lovely man, but remember that, I think it was Channel 5.
It's a red light, mate, and
he had a whole
just
drone
run
series,
it.
didn't he? Taking drones over historic...
I don't know.
You're going to shoulder check before you merge out. Nice shoulder check, bud. You're going to see a cyclist. Oh.
That was close!
You're right.